Welcome to my lair. Just kidding. I always wondered what it would look like when someone was bouncing on a tramp and recorded it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I got the tramp. I got the self. I got the net. Probably safe to have a net for me. Then I got the holes I burned in the tramp with a sparkler. Let's see, where are they? Here they are. Yeah? One sec. So, trying to see. Did I stop it? Okay. Alright. 1 second. Okay. Conclusion.